Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm showing to you how I can to check my laptop battery health. First you need to open cmd or command prompt in your PC. Right click on this and run as administrator. Select yes. Right here power cfg space slash battery report. Press enter. You will get a link here like this and copy this link. Now move to my PC and paste here this link. Press enter. You will get your battery report in your browser. Here we need to check two main things, like here's our report about your PC battery, and the two main things is this, like design capacity, this main full capacity of your battery, and also full charge capacity, this main capacity of your battery at the moment. So now how we can to calculate our battery health? Use this formula, like I want to open calculator here. First divide your full charge capacity and by design capacity, like I want to use 37787 divide by design capacity 55 and 97. Press equal, and now multiply this by 100 like this, and here we can see our battery health. Now my laptop battery health is 67. So you can use this formula for showing your battery health. Thank you for watching.